At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, August 11, 2023, Mullen stock struggles to stay above $1 following Mullen's reverse split. Time is ticking for Mullen stock to stay above $1. Mullen Automotive is now trading on a 1-for-9 reverse stock split adjusted basis. However, Mullen's shares are still trading below $1. Mullen stock has until September 5 to trade above $1 for at least 10 consecutive business days. Mullen Automotive, NASDAQ MULN, stock is trading at a much higher price than when compared to yesterday, and that's entirely due to a 1-for-9 reverse stock split that became effective at 12:01 a.m. Eastern Time today. This means that every 9 shares of Mullen stock owned by shareholders have consolidated into 1 share. As a result, the stock price increased by a multiple of 9. Percentage ownership of Mullen was not affected by the reverse split. Mullen's board received the green light to enact the reverse split after shareholders voted in favor of authorizing a reverse split in a range between 1-for-2 and 1-for-100. This is the second reverse split that Mullen has enacted this year. The first came on May 4 after the company initiated a 1-for-25 reverse split in order to meet the NASDAQ minimum price requirement of $1. The reverse split that occurred today was initiated to meet the same requirement. Shareholders have not responded well to the share consolidations. Since May 4, Mullen stock has fallen drastically. Mullen stock hovers near $1 after 1-for-9 reverse split. In order to regain NASDAQ compliance, Mullen must trade above $1 for at least 10 consecutive business days, but generally no more than 20 consecutive business days. Mullen announced in mid-May that its shares traded above $1 for 10 consecutive business days. However, it still remains on NASDAQ's list of non-compliant companies. As a result of this, we can conclude that NASDAQ previously required Mullen to trade above $1 for more than 10 consecutive business days. NASDAQ has provided Mullen with a deadline of September 5 to achieve the $1 threshold. Including today, there are only 18 business days between now and the deadline. So, why exactly did Mullen pick 1-for-9 as its reverse split ratio? That was likely done to stay within the limits of another NASDAQ policy. Notwithstanding the foregoing, if a company's security fails to meet the continued listing requirement for minimum bid price, and the company has effected 1 or more reverse stock splits over the prior 2-year period with a cumulative ratio of 250 shares or more to 1, then the company shall not be eligible for any compliance period specified in this Rule 5810C3A, and the Listing Qualifications Department shall issue a staff delisting determination under Rule 5810 with respect to that security. With a 1-for-25 reverse split and another 1-for-9 reverse split, that brings Mullen's cumulative reverse split ratio to 1-for-225. A 1-for-10 reverse split or greater instead of a 1-for-9 would have brought the ratio to 1-for-250, making Mullen ineligible for a compliance period and at risk of being delisted. Thanks for watching.